right, we have taken a little hiatus from notes, but we are back now. Aren't you all very excited about that? Boo! I'll pretend I didn't hear that. Okay, here we go. So, we are... So here is the light at the end of the tunnel. We have this week, which only has like a day and a half left in it, and then next week, and then it's finals, and then we're done. So we are almost there. It's really awesome. Okay. Now, so we left off by multiplying rational expressions. Now we are on to the dividing part. So, I heard Kendra say before class started, same, change, flip. What does that mean? Okay, Ashley.
Keep the first one, and you change the dividing sign to a multiplication sign. And
Good.
Then you flip the other one so that the numerator is on the denominator, and vice versa.
Perfect. Everybody give it up for Ashley. And let me repeat what she said because our air conditioning unit is really, really loud. She said, keep the first one exactly the same. Change division to multiplication. Flip the second one over. So the denominator becomes the numerator, and the numerator becomes the denominator. Okay, perfect. Whoops, that's a b. B squared. Okay, and now we're back to the same thing we were doing before. So we want to reduce. Can anybody see anything that can be canceled, reduced in any way, shape, or form? Here, Josephine. Okay, nobody should be talking. Shh. Okay, 3a squared and 3a cubed. Good. Like that? Whoops. I didn't mean to cancel that out. But so we're left with an a to the first, or an a. Yeah. Okay. Good. To the first. So we end up with, all right, so everybody give it up for Josephine. So we have a lot of things canceled out. She said the 3a squared over 3a cubed reduces to a 1 over a, the 1 up here. The 2b over 5b, 10b squared reduces to 1 over 5b. So what are we left with? We have a 1 on the top, and a times a 5b on the bottom, which is 5ab. Questions on that? Okay, let's do another one. We have 3 examples total today for our notes. Isn't that exciting? Very short day. All right. So if we do the same thing we were doing in the last problem, this is dividing, so what do we do? Same, change, flip again. So somebody tell me when I same, change, flip, what it should look like. Ashley.
The x plus 3
Good.
over x plus 2.
Good.
Times x will be, let's say third.
Oh, it's x squared. X squared.
X squared plus 4x plus 4 over x squared minus 9.
Cool. Everyone give it up for Ashley. All right. Now, factoring. Can anybody tell me how x squared plus 4x plus 4 and or x squared minus 9 factors? Haley.
X squared minus 9 factors to x 3
Uh-huh.
and x minus 2.
Okay, good. Everybody give it up for Haley. Alicia?
X squared plus 4x plus 4
Good. Good. X plus 2, x plus 2. The same thing as x plus 2 squared, right? Yes? True? No? Yes. Cool. Everybody give it up for Alicia. All right. Now we are reducing. So anything that can be reduced here? Anybody or anything that can be factored? Natalia? Good. X plus 3s. Everybody get it up for Natalia.
Yeah.
Anything else? Megan? X plus 2s. Cool. Everybody give it up for Megan. All right. So what are we left with as an answer? Cool, and I can cancel out the x's, right? And I'm left with negative 2/3?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. How are we doing on questions? I am only putting this last one in here because it looks confusing. But I'm putting it in here so that you all see that it's not actually all that confusing. Oh, my. That is the reaction I was thinking we were going to get. Okay. 4a squared b squared minus 25 over 2ab plus 5 squared divided by 4ab minus 10 over 2ab plus 5. So it looks confusing. The double letter thing kind of throws some people off. But if we're starting out the same way, what is the very first step that we take here? Same, change, flip. Good. So same, change, flip. So when I keep the first one the same, it's still 4a squared b squared minus 25 over 2ab plus 5 squared. Change to multiply, and then flip it 2ab plus 5 over 4ab minus 10. So here's what we're looking for. We're looking for anything that can be factored. Does anybody see any numerator and or denominator that can be factored? Jared?
4a squared b squared minus 25 is equal to 2 squared.
Excellent. Difference of two squares. How does it factor?
2ab plus 5 and 2ab minus 5.
Cool. Everybody give it up for Jared. 2ab minus 5. Awesome. Okay. Anything else that can be factored here? 2ab plus 5 squared, that's already factored. Lydia? Okay. Rachel? Good. Take out a 2, and you're left with what? Perfect. Everybody give it up for Rachel. All right. So, I'm going to rewrite this just for organizational purposes, but you all do not have to do that, because I know that we're all fast. We are accelerated algebra 2. We don't want to be bogged down with writing too much. But, again, organization is a good thing. 2ab plus 5 squared. All right, so everybody be looking for things that cancel out here. And what cancels out? Haley.
2ab plus 5.
Okay, I'm going to stop you there. I could cancel those, right? I can cancel across. Or I could have done those. Okay, good. Natalia, do you have another one? Oops, sorry, that's off the page. Good, the 2ab minus 5s. Excellent. Everybody give it up for Haley and Natalia. Anything else? What are we left with? Nathan?
2ab plus 5.
Good, the other 2ab plus 5 goes away with that. Okay, anything else? So what am I left with as an answer? Everybody give it up for Nathan, by the way. That was not an afterthought. Well, it kind of was, but... Okay, what are we left? So I have a 2 left, so my answer is 2.
No. 1 over 2. No.
Why 1 over 2? Josephine, why 1 over 2?
Isn't it like when you cancel, there's still more?
Good. It's on the bottom of the fraction, and there's still an invisible 1 up here, so the answer is actually 1/2. Okay, everybody give it up for Josephine. And for yourselves, you did an awesome job on all those problems. There is your homework. 7 minutes and 56 seconds. Pretty good.